Hey y'all, welcome back to Jack's Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. In today's video, we're mingling Taco Bell with a Smashburger. Now some of you might think that sounds criminal, but we're gonna push the envelope, or the Crunch Wrap. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. 80-20 prime and smuggled across the state line. 3-ounce patties, boom, right on the money. Just gonna form them into balls. As with all good burgers, you gotta have a sauce. We're gonna be making what I'm calling the Gotham sauce, and it's named after the Gotham burger that I made. Go check that video out. That is a bomb burger. All right, so starting off, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1.5 tablespoons of ketchup, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, a pinch of paprika, a pinch of onion powder, a pinch of garlic powder, and a pinch of sugar. Give it a stir. Now let's get that grill hot. No crimes being committed here, folks. Just some patty smashing. Nothing fancy here today, folks. Just some simple salt and pepper. Love this salt. This is like French sea salt, and it's kind of moist. Some good stuff. Little pepper. Nice and lacy. Going with some cheese. Don't be stingy here, folks. We want it to be cheesy, melty, gooey, delicious. Crunch wraps. Joker's off of here. Badgers. Let's go over here and assemble these jokers. We're just going with 1 patty today on each one, because I only plan on using 1 tortilla here. All right, let's go down with a little bit of onion, some lettuce. Let's go on with a little pickle, some tomato. Top it with our sauce. I like a lot of sauce on here. Crown it with this corn tostada shell. I've been seeing some people do different things like chips and whatnot, but we're going just like Taco Bell would do it. All right. The reason why I didn't use 2 patties is because it doesn't close, and I didn't want to have to use another tortilla to go in the center. Let's go put this on the grill, try one out. All right, it looks good. Just got one done. After we finish this one, we'll go do the other ones. But let's cut it in half, see what we got. Crispy. Looks good. All right, let's give it a go. I feel like running for the border to get this one, not a Taco Bell one. So that's the first time I've ever had a Crunch Wrap from a Smashburger. I have had the Crunch Wrap at Taco Bell before, but there's something about this that makes it a whole lot better. And what it is it's not that loose meat that you get at Taco Bell. It kind of keeps the form. It's delicious. I know no one says you should go for a second bite on video, but I am, so. If you don't like it, you can leave.
You're gonna smash your face in that Crunch Wrap.
Because I'm gonna what?
Smash your face in that Crunch Wrap, I can tell.
Because I'm gonna smash my face in this Crunch Wrap. So, all right, guys, we're gonna finish grilling these up. I wanna thank Dalstrong for sponsoring this video and providing this Valhalla series Nakiri knife. So if you want one of these, I'm gonna leave a link below. You'll get 10% off. Go check them out and look at their inventory. All right, guys, Smashburger Crunch Wraps. Do it.